Had a meeting ekhaya, you called it last supper ne. Kuleyo meeting awuzange ungitreat kahle.
Okay.
On that day ngabuza ukuthi iyona yini indlela le esesiphathana ngayo, because ngiyakubonisa ukuthi awukhulumi kahle nami, waqhubeka wangayeki, and wabona kumina ukuthi angikho right. At some point wamisa isandla kanti wathi I must talk to the hand.
Mina, yes.
The question is the part it is right. What was your intention? Ungangicheckanga. Just that part, not the rest.
Uma ngangikucheckile sasoba right?
Landle ngingaphenduli mina. It was a question.
No, ngifuna ukukubuza ke manje if ngangikucheckile.
No, it's a question ebuzwa lapha. Kufa uphendula ukuthi yini eyenza ukuthi right ungangicheckanga.
So noma ngangimcheckile uMaKhumalo, ngangeke ngithola ukuthi sibe right, and ngangeke ngikhulume kwi-public ngokuthi asikho right, ngoba sikaze sitshele i-public ukuthi asikho right. So that is why ngathi si right.
Guys, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video, and please comment down below. So in this clip we see a sit down between Uthobile no Mseleku, where they unpack their relationship, nokuthi why bakule state abakusho kule relationship yabo. From the clip, we get that in season 8, Nyelasap, Uthobile was not treated well by her husband. She says Mseleku was on her case the whole season, and the things that she said about her in the diary sessions were extremely hurtful. He then ghosted her for months, not talking to her and not even checking up on her. Even after she was admitted in the hospital for depression, still he did not respond to her text or even try to reach out. The last time they saw each other was at the last supper, where Mseleku said he won't come to MaKhumalo's house because she is trying to destroy the family that he is trying to build.
Yabo nje ungiblockile nje, ungiblockele le issue lenye esixabanele. Angikuthandi lo. Ngiyafeel ukuthi I'm being disrespected and I'm being
Mseleku's response, and obviously being Mseleku's response, and he's always like gaslighting on MaKhumalo. His response firstly was on a diary session and not in MaKhumalo's face. But he then said that he was already irritated in season 9 on the last supper. He says that he was already irritated before they started shooting, and then he was hurt and he was also sick on that day. He continued to say that MaKhumalo on that day refused to acknowledge that she called Mayeni delusional. She is the one who called Mayeni delusional. Mseleku went on to say that MaKhumalo, the reason that they are fighting, the reason that they're having a clash currently in their relationship, it's because number 5, you know, and they took months before speaking to each other or before they engaged with one another. That's the reason why they're also fighting like this, is because they haven't seen each other in a while, and they've been ignoring and living separate lives for months. That's also causing distance in the relationship. So yes, we got to see the breakdown of the reason why Mseleku and Thobile are not getting along and why they're fighting. There's still more, but please stay tuned for the next clip. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.